Hi, in this video, we are asked to solve the exponential equation given to us. So we have it that 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2x plus 3 minus 5 multiplied by 2 to the power of x plus 2 minus 156 equal to 0. So now at this point, we can apply the multiplication law of indices at this point to simplify the expression. So we know that from the law, if we have a to the power of m plus n, this can be expressed as a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So therefore, we can have it that this becomes 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2x times 2 to the power of 3 minus 5 multiplied by 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of 2 minus 156 equal to 0. Now at this point, we can simplify further. So we know that 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8 and 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4. So the equation now becomes 3 open bracket 2 to the power of 2x times 8 minus 5 open bracket 2 to the power of x times 4 minus 156 equal to 0. So at this point, the expression now at the left-hand side becomes 24 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2x minus 20 multiplied by 2 to the power of x minus 156 equal to 0. To simplify the expression further at the left-hand side, we can divide through by 4. So we divide 20 by 4 and also we divide 156 by 4. So this becomes 4 cancel itself, we have 1. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 4 cancel itself, we have 1. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 4 cancel itself, we have 1. 156 divided by 4 is giving us 39. So at this point, we have that this becomes 6 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2x minus 5 multiplied by 2 to the power of x minus 39 equal to 0. So at this point, we can express this as 6 multiplied by 2 to the power of x all to the power of 2 minus 5 multiplied by 2 to the power of x minus 39 equal to 0. So at this point, we can make some simple substitution. So we have that let p be equal to 2 to the power of x. So the equation now in terms of p becomes 6 multiplied by p squared minus 5p minus 39 equal to 0. So at this point, we have a quadratic equation in terms of p. So we can solve this equation using any method of obtaining the zeros of a quadratic equation. Now in this video, we will use the factorization method. So we look at for two integers that their sum is equal to -5 and their product is equal to 234. So the two integers are minus 18 and plus 13. So therefore, the equation becomes 6p squared minus 18p plus 13p minus 39 equal to 0. So at this point, if we factorize, we have this to be 6p open bracket p minus 3 plus 13 open bracket, p minus 3 equal to 0. So therefore, we have that 6p plus 13, we multiply p minus 3 or equal to 0. So recall that if a multiplied by b is equal to 0, a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. First, we have it that 6p plus 13 is equal to 0 or p minus 3 is equal to 0. So at this point, we have that 6p is equal to minus 13 and p is equal to minus 13 divided by 6. Also, at this point, p is equal to plus 3. But you can recall that we made a substitution that let p be equal to 2 to the power of x. So therefore, recall that p is equal to 2 to the power of x. So at this point, for p equal to 3, we have it as 3 is equal to 2 raised to the power of x. And also for p equal to minus 13 divided by 6, we have it that minus 13 divided by 6 is equal to 2 raised to the power of x. So therefore, at this point, if we take the log of both sides, we have that this is log 3 or in base 10 is equal to log 2 raised to the power of x or in base 10. Now, this can be expressed as log 3 in base 10 equal to x multiplied by log 2 to base 10. So at this point, we can make x the subject. So the equation becomes x equal to log 3 in base 10 divided by log 2 in base 10. So therefore, from the idea of change of base, x can be expressed as log 3 or in base 2. Now, at this point, for p equal to minus 13 divided by 6, there is no solution for x. So therefore, we have it that x is equal to log 3 in base 2. Thank you so much for watching. If you know you found the video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye.